Hello and welcome to the Sat on My Butt channel, where today I've got a review of something a little bit different. In fact, it's been sent for me to review with my two grandchildren, and it is a box, a subscription box from Mud and Bloom. That's mudandbloom.com. And what they do is they sell subscription boxes that enable you as parents or grandparents to get involved with the outdoors, with garden and with nature, with your children through activities. Luckily, this is the sibling box, so there shouldn't be any arguments because there'll be one each. Right, should we have a look inside?
Yeah.
Right, what have we got? This is February's box, and you get a box every month that's different. They're from $7.99, and they go in according to the season, so you know that whatever is in the box will be, you know, useful to what you're doing in the garden. So in February we have, what have we got?
This.
What are they? Right, so we have got a pack of seeds each, and that's called Sonata Dwarf mix, and a pack of aubergines each. Do you know what aubergines are?
Yeah.
They're a vegetable that you can eat. So once they're grown and we plant the seeds, they can grow. Those are pellets that turn into soil. Yeah, so we can plant the seeds. And then we've got these boxes. So we've got what's in our box. We've got make ice decorations, grow your own aubergines, make your own kite. So that's a kite for you to make, Oscar and Livy. Yeah? Grow your own cosmos flowers, a flower spotter, and a quiz. So there you go. Grow your own cosmos. Grow your own aubergines.
Yeah.
How to make a kite. Make your own ice decorations. I'm not sure if we're going to get that cold in this part of the room. And then flowers. So you've got to spot those flowers. And then there's a quiz.
I not
So
say.
these are, oh, we're going to lose all of that. These are little seed pellets that you plant the seeds in. And we get them planted. And as you can see, it can be quite chaotic, but worth it to get. I mean, what did we plant last year? What was the last job we did in the garden? Bluebells. We planted bluebells in the garden, didn't we? So we'll get these planted. See how it goes. I expect it will be stressful. I should imagine there will be fights, but I think we're going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to get outside and do some bits. Hopefully it'll be windy. And there's the string for the kite.
Yeah.
So what do you reckon? We give that a go?
Yeah.
We give that a go. We get some photos taken. I'm not going to video it because honestly it's probably going to be totally chaotic. And then we get that posted up and let you know how we get on.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Livy, say goodbye. No, you think it's good.
Okay.
We're going.